Hi guys, welcome to Speedrun Lisk. This is where you will learn Solidity development on Lisk blockchain through hands-on challenges. So I'm super excited to introduce Speedrun Lisk campaign where we have builders like you compete in multiple challenges. Whenever you're completely new to the blockchain development or you're just looking to expand your skills, this is the perfect place to start. So in the next 10 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly what Speedrun Lisk is and walk you through the platforms and get you ready to start your first challenge. So let's dive right in. So what exactly is Speedrun Lisk? So you can think of it as your interactive bootcamps for learning Solidity. So it is actually a fork of the really popular Speedrun Ethereum, but we have adapted everything for the Lisk blockchain. So here's what makes it special. So it actually built with Scaffold Lisk, which gives you a really complete development environment. Everything runs on Lisk Sepolia testnet, and the best part is actually completely hands-on. There's no boring theory, and you learn by building stuff. So now the Speedrun Lisk campaign is our special program for Southeast Asia builders. We're running 6-week challenge. Each week you complete a challenge and submit it and then compete with others on the leaderboards. So the campaign is designed for beginners. So if you never deployed a smart contract before, do not worry. So this challenge starts really simple and it gradually builds up your skills. So by the end, you have a really complete builder profiles with real projects to show off and hopefully some rewards. Alright, let me show you around the platform. So when you first land on speedrun.xyz, you see a homepage with all the available challenges. So each challenge card shows you what you built, from a simple token contract to a complex DeFi application. Alright, so before you start, we need to connect your wallet. Click this button right here. Click MetaMask. Make sure you have Lisk Sepolia testnet. Alright, just register to unlock your builder profile. This is like your on-chain resume. Alright, let's check a look. So in this builder profile, it shows your complete challenges and where you come from, what's your social media, and when did you join. This is more like credential in the Web3 space where other builders and collaborators can see your skills. Alright, let's head into our first week. So this is where you will submit all your complete challenge. But first, let me show you what you're aiming for. Look at this. Here's your submission form where you paste all your deployed contract address, your GitHub repo, your social media posts about this challenge, and also the link to your verified contract. But before you can submit anything, you need to complete the challenge first. See this learning resource? Click it and let's go. Alright, now let's talk about getting started with our first challenge. Deploy and verify the contract. Without going into all the technical details, that is what this challenge guide is for. So here's what you'll be accomplished. First, you'll be deploy both an ERC20 tokens and an ERC721 NFT. Then deploy everything to Lisk Sepolia testnet, and then verify your contracts on Blockdev. So this first challenge teaches you the complete workflow from local development to testnet development. Then you will be using tools like Hardhat. You work with OpenZeppelin contract and get comfortable with the entire deployment process. So what I like about this challenge is it's not just a hello world things. So you're building a real functional contract that you could actually use in the production. So your ERC20 tokens could be the foundation of a DeFi project, and your NFT contract could launch a collection. Alright, before you start, make sure you have your Node.js installed, Yarn for package manager, and Git for cloning the repository. Then on the faucet side, you need testnet if for gas fee. So Lisk actually has their official faucet. Here is this link. Just paste in your wallet address, do the captcha, and then you get the test if. And all the fees on Lisk are super low, so a small amount will go a long way. And here's a pro tip: join our Telegram group at this link. So seriously, don't try to do this alone. So we will be helping you on the way. Like, this community is incredibly helpful. Alright, and that is Speedrun Lisk. So you have learned what the platform is, how to navigate it, and what you build in week 1. So remember, this isn't just about the rewards. So this is more about getting real and practical blockchain development skills. So the kind of skills that get you hired and help you build your own projects or contribute to Web3 ecosystem. So just saying, whenever you're like completely beginners or already have some coding experience, you can always do this. So the challenges are designed to help you do it step by step. And so yeah, I'll see you in the Telegram group, and I can't wait to see what you built. Happy coding.